Hello friends, welcome back to Flavors on Mother Sakhan. Today I have for you a very quick recipe of hummus. Hummus is essentially a Lebanese dish, but it is so easy and so delicious and so tasteful that it is adopted by, I think, every cuisine, every culture, irrespective of its from where it originated. It's so simple, and I'm going to be making it today with canned chickpeas. Alternately, you can soak chickpeas overnight and make it with it. It's equivalent to 2 cups of chickpeas, 2 cans. I have drained the excess water out of these cans, and I'm going to just put it in the blender. So basically, all you need is a blender and these ingredients, and you're just going to blend it. And a very important a part of this and a very important ingredient of hummus is the tahina. Tahina is basically something that you make out of roasted sesame seeds. You blend it with oil. Either you can use sesame oil to do it, or sometimes if that's not available, you can use olive oil and blend it, and this is what you get. It's a nut butter kind of stuff. To this I have added also garlic paste, half tablespoon, and 3/4 cup of olive oil. I've added 1 whole cup of yogurt. This is thick yogurt, and I'm adding 1/4 cup of lemon juice to this. You can use fresh lemon if you have. This was just available for me, so I've just used it. I'm being very careful in pouring this out because it can spill. So that's all about this, and I'm just going to add salt to this, and which is around half tablespoon. You have to be very careful about the salt because chickpeas would already be salted. It is as it was store-bought chickpeas, where these were canned chickpeas. So that's it. You just whiz it up, and this is your hummus. This is ready. It is super delicious. Believe me, this dish is not bland. I mean, you have to try this. Just pour it out in a can, because it's like I made it for a party of around 12 people, so I made in bulk. But again, you can make if you want to make half of it, you can just, like, if you're making for your small family, you can just half the recipe. Just arrange it this way and decorate it. There are so many ways to decorate it. I have already posted a picture in the beginning of how you can actually decorate it. I was in a hurry, so I did not do that. I'm just going to drizzle a bit around enough olive oil so that it kind of forms a layer on top of it. So this tastes super amazing. I mean, I don't have words to describe how delicious this is. You can try it, and this is how you can decorate it. Just sprinkle some paprika or red chili powder over it. I hope you will try this recipe. It's a really quick and simple recipe. It's a powerful protein recipe, and if you have to bake something really quick, you can just whiz up hummus. So do let me know in the comments, how did you like it? Thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.